Some people reach a point where their environment blocks their growth. Every distraction pulls your focus. Every opinion shapes your identity. You feel stuck in the version of yourself people expect. This video shows how to disappear from old patterns and build a stronger identity. Anyone with any skill can use this. I will start with a short story to frame the lesson. There was a village boy called Tama. People judged him by old mistakes. They predicted his limits. He wanted a new life, but the judgment shaped his choices. One day he walked out of the village. No drama. No announcement. He lived alone near a quiet river. He reset his habits. He learned new skills. He returned later as a new person. People no longer recognized the old version of him. Not because he hid. Because he rebuilt. Now you learn the same process. Step 1. Cut noise. Reduce contact with draining people. Reduce activities that push old patterns. Your brain needs silence before it builds new structure. Step 2. Break identity anchors. Remove routines that tie you to past behavior. Example. If you waste time at night, shift your schedule. If your location triggers old habits, change your environment. Step 3. Build a small private routine. One routine becomes your anchor. Use something simple. Morning reading. Daily writing. Skill practice. This routine reshapes your decisions. Step 4. Choose one skill to master. Pick one skill that improves your value. Writing. Design. Editing. Coding. Focus on slow progress every day. You create a new identity around competence. Step 5. Reduce social comparison. Your mind stops growing when it seeks approval. Set one goal each week. Track your progress alone. Your confidence comes from evidence, not feedback. Step 6. Set a personal reset period. Use 30 days to disappear from distractions. No need to leave your house. You only leave old patterns. Within 30 days your brain creates new habits that push new behavior without force. Step 7. Return with new habits. You show up again with upgraded behavior. People react to the new version of you. Not because you disappeared from the world. Because you disappeared from the identity that held you back. Transformation starts when you stop feeding your old patterns. You do the work in silence. You reveal the results in public. If you want clear explanations of your psychology, subscribe. I explain your patterns with direct truth. No filters. No sweet talk. You get insights you use to control your growth every day.